Hello student, in our previous class I studied revision exercise of chapter 1 numbers up to 9,99,999. So in this lesson we are going to explain exercise 1.1, and the basic of chapter exercise 1.1 is the periods, the ones period, the ones period and thousand period. Ones period, in ones period one thing is coming, that first digit is ones place, the second digit is tens place, and the third digit is hundred place. If a number like 34,565, then the fifth place is our ones place, sixth place is our tens place, fifth place is our hundred place, and our fourth place is thousand place, and our fifth place is thousand place. Then one, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Ones, 5 is our ones, 6 is our tens, 5 is our hundred, and 4 is our thousand, and 3 is our 10,000. So the thing is that we have divided it ones period and thousand period. In ones period, three things are coming: ones, tens, and hundred. Three digits are coming. Then we have to separate it with a comma. We have to put a comma between thousand period and ones period. We have to put a comma to separate ones period from the thousand period. So our first question is of the same thing. Like, we have to mark the period and write the number names. We have to mark the number. Like, I have done the D part, the tough part from the last one. So the easy one you have to do it by yourself. So the question D is 59,368. 59,368. We have to separate the period. The last three digits are of the ones period. So we have to separate it by a comma. 59,000 and put a comma, and 3,608. This is the mark period. We have marked the period. 368 represent the ones period and 59 represent the thousand period. Also we have to write the number name of that number. So then 59,000. 59 comes in thousand period. So 59,000, and after that ones period 300. Well, in one period ones, tens, hundred. Then the last third digit is hundred place. So 300. 68. So our number is 59,368. Next one is 48,231. I just put it the comma to separate thousand place to the ones period. Thousand period with the ones period. The ones, tens, hundred. After that we have to put a comma, and thousand, 10,000. Then 48,231. So we have to write write it down like this. First we have to write the quotient. After writing the quotient, we have to separate, mark the period by putting a comma between ones period and thousand period. Then we have to write down the number name. The second question is write numerals. 42,295. 42,000. Then we have to write down 42,000. That is 42,295. 295. We just wrote down what we said. 42,295. Now we have to put the comma, that we have to separate ones period with the thousand period. Just we have to put it down the comma, ones, tens, hundred. Then we have to put down the comma. 16,133. 16,000. We have to write down the 16. 16,133. 133. We have to put the comma to separate ones period with the thousand period. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. That's is the thousands period, and it's our ones period. Our next question is write the following numbers. 1 more than 64,522. We have to write it 1 more than 64,522. So then what we have to do? 64,522 plus 1. After adding 1, 64,522, we get 64,523. We just added the 1 in 22. 22, that is 23. Other number is same. Next is 1 more than 99,998. So 1 plus 99,998. Answer is 99,999, and that is the largest 5-digit number. So our next question is question number 4, counting by 2. 2 means 2. So what we have to do? Just skipping the number. Yeah, just add 2. 31,250. Then 31,200. 0 plus 2, 2. Then next number will be 31,250. 2 plus 2. Then 31,250. 4 plus 2. We just adding 2 in last digit, because 2, only 2 are getting, and 2 is our ones, comes in ones digit, only 1 digit. Then we are adding the number in our ones digit. So 2 plus 2, 4, then 4 plus 2, 6, then 6 plus 2, our 8. We have to write it down by 64. 58 plus 2, 60. 31,262. That's our answer. Because by adding 62 plus 2, we get that number. Next question is 23,448, and next number is 23,448 plus 2, 50. 23,448 plus 23,450, then 23,452, then 23,454, then 23,456, and we have to write it down by 23,462. 56 then 23,458 and 23,458. After 58 we got 23,460, and after that 60 plus 2 we got the number in the question. So the answer is this. Got it, students? It's the easy one. We have to add 2 in the last digit or ones digit. Then counting by 100, we have to add 100, or we can say that we can add 1 in on the 100 place, the ones place, the tens place, and the 100 place. So we have to add 1 in the 100 place. That 59,518. Just write 4 more numbers. One number 59,618, 59,718, and 59,880. Got it? It's the easy one. Next question is 62,000. Then 100 place is 6, so 745. Then 62,700. After that 845. Then 62,800. After 945. After that, it's a tough one. Then we have we have to add 100 in 945. Then it will become 63,000. 63,000. After adding 1, 63,045. After 9, again 0. So our next question is counting by 1000. So what we have to do? Counting by 1000. 72,790. Ones place, tens, 100, and that is the 1000. We have to add 1 more in that place. 7719, and putting the number 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next is 74,719, 75,790, and 76,790. Counting by 10,000, then ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We have to add 1 in the 10,000 place number. So 1 after 1, 27,490, 37,490, 47,490, and 57,490. Am I right? 27,490, 37,000, 47,000, and 57,490 are common in all the questions.